Good afternoon, YouTube. Wanted to put out this quick video on this battery box I made. It's portable. Out of one of these. Just got this from Walmart. Let me show you what's inside of it. Didn't take me long. We got their 24 DC battery back there. And basically I got a on-off switch right here. Turn it on, off. Voltmeter with USB. Quick charge 3.0. 12 volt. So we can take this right here, this fan, 12 volt fan, plug it in, turn it on, and we're rolling. Didn't take me too long to make this. And what I also did on the back here through these holes, put on one of these, I think these are SAE. Forgot what they're called, but this has got an enclosure on it right there so I can keep it waterproof. It just hangs, so it's always connected. And then I got this charger. It's got the other end of that connection to charge it, hook it up, make sure we're always topped off. But yeah, just wanted to show you all this. It's portable. If I had to take this inside, run a inverter off of it, run my fridge, I can hook this up to solar through this port as well to solar charge this battery. So it's kind of universal as far as charging it. If I got regular power, I can use this charger. If I don't have that and I need solar, I just move it outside and hook up a solar panel to it. It's pretty easy to make. Like I said, I got this box with the battery inside, drilled a couple holes. This I got off the internet, just ordered it. Same with that. Pretty easy to make, and gives you backup for some little power things you might need. Charge your phone, stuff like that. And I always keep it hooked up since I got power. So it's charging, I always got something rolling. If the power goes out, I need to charge my phone, charge the light, whatever, I can come down here. And it's mobile too. So let me know if you got any questions, if anybody else has done this, and maybe there's some ways I can improve it. I don't know what size inverter I can run off of it, but yeah, thanks for watching.